this is what I came for. I think the Stinger stock is wide. I mean, just look at how wide it is with a wide body. This is insane, dude. Here's the video you guys all have been asking for. All three wings next to each other. Most menacing Stinger I've ever seen with a duckbill setup. That is crazy. Look at that. Race car stuff. It's E85, 100 octane. Hey fam, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. It's Frankie, aka Dark Rise, and in today's video, we got a banger. A video many of you guys been asking for, comparing the wing options on the Kia Stinger. I got a couple buddies out here, local by where I live, and there's like a car meet slash car show going on, so I'm gonna go head to it. I'm gonna show you guys the cars and show you guys the wings. Those new watching, this is my 2020 Kia Stinger GT2. It's literally everything you could imagine except the wide body, and it's got this crazy wing. I actually only have one wing available right now. These are custom made wings for the Kia Stinger. They're off of an M4, but the brackets are made specifically for the Kia Stinger with instructions. So hit me up on Instagram if you guys want a quote. We got Travis's K5 here. Thing looks so nice. Pink's K5, and then this K5 that I'm yet to see. The color is so nice. Can't get over this color. This is such a nice color. This exhaust, titanium, and he's got the mirrors under. That's nice. Got an Adro Elantra. This wrap goes crazy. Not for everybody, that's right. And this wing, ooh, this is what I came for.
You all day.
I parked over here.
Right next to us. Nice, bro.
Carpet too, that's sick. This is luxury at its finest. Speaking of LED air vents, damn. Got Brandon's Stinger out here. This is literally my idol in a sense, because before I got my Stinger, literally everything is based off of this Stinger here. I literally ripped off his wheels, he sold them to me. I have his hood. The only difference we have is the color and the wing. And we got my boy Evan out here with the KDM Mafia plate. He just got this thing polished and cleaned up, and it looks so nice. Damn, that is so clean. And then he's got the duckbill spoiler, wing, or carbon. I don't even know what you would call it. KDM Mafia, got a rep. I think the Stinger stock is wide. I mean, just look at how wide it is with a wide body. This thing goes crazy. I might just have to do this. Is insane. Always clean. Literally, I never want to park next to this car. I would be embarrassed to show off the paint next to his. This thing is always in mint condition. Look at the deep dish on these wheels. And I thought mine were pretty deep. This is insane. The forged hood that I have, or this hood here. I'm debating switching the two, maybe doing a trade with somebody. I really love the style of this hood. Real quick, this is the duckbill spoiler, and there's a different version. There's the round one, and then this one's more of a squared setup. But as for wing options, they are pretty much almost the same. This is, I guess, more of a slick setup, not as aggressive compared to like doing an Adro wing. Don't get me wrong, the Adro wing is so nice. I love it. It looks like this is almost OEM. I mean, the aero on this is insane. attention to detail, the hardware too. Originally I intended to get this wing, and then I ended up going with that M4 style wing. Are so freaking clean. It's crazy. Brandon sold me his Forge Stars and traded him for some Titans since he does track this car. I guess in a sense these would be more functional compared to the Forge Stars. Really almost identical in the front. His is way more of an aggressive setup, and it just matches and flows much more better. I love that he wrapped the hood. He doesn't have two different tones. Is this next? Wide body Camaro. What is this? I think this is a Lexus. I might be wrong. Damn. So I don't know if I said earlier, but before I got the Stinger, this was the guy that inspired me to build my Stinger almost identically to his. Wings different, colors different, and then his front splitter. But otherwise, I took off his wheels. I literally copied his hood, and I was gonna do this wrap before he did his, and then he got it done, and I was like, damn, that came out so nice. I was debating on doing it as well, but I've spent so much money on the car in such a little amount of time that I kind of have to hold back from installing more crazy car parts. But Evan literally transformed his car since the last time I saw it. I remember the first time he came over and swung by the house, his car was stock wheels, literally everything was stock. He came over, he bought the license plate frame, he got jet tag, and I believe he got a banner. Yes, he got a banner, decals as well. And from how it was before to now is crazy. Lowered on some very aggressive wheel fitment. He's also got the duckbill spoiler. He's got this crazy hood. He just got repolished and finished as well. And a lot of you guys have been saying, am I gonna wide body the Stinger? What wide body kit would I do? And I don't know, here's a comparison between the two. This one has the Adro wide body kit, and then this one is, I might be wrong, but the Arc Performance, I don't really recall which one it was, but it's crazy because they're both molded on. They're not glued or bolted on. These are actually molded on, so they look like the cars came this way. I mean, look at that. That is insane. But it's hard to choose between the two. Comment down below, would you guys do this version of the wide body or that version over there? Look how much this duckbill extends from the rear. Let's run off real quick all the wing options. So we got this duckbill option. It has some curving to it, and then this one just really smooth. And then we got the Adro wing, another Adro wing over there. It's like,
Yeah, that
perfect.
matches your car real nice.
Look at these seats in a Stinger. I've never seen this before. He's got a little bar on the back. Talk about race car. Damn. Holy shit. Damn, this is...
It's kind of low, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty low for me.
But you can put the seat up. You might be able to put some spacers on the bottom.
Yeah.
So,
Damn.
and it looks like, almost like factory the way they
You
cut
see
it.
that? Dang. What? So what is this, one week? Spread toe? That is, holy shit, all this too. What? Minsker, oh, I was gonna hit him up for that LED steering wheel. This is insane, dude. Wow. I've never seen that before. Damn, look at this wide body Stinger. Is he gonna fit? Holy shit. That is close. Wait, hold on, hold on. Got Adrian heading out on his bag setup. Proper ride height. Oh my gosh. Wide body. So clean. Laters, man. Damn. That is wide. Talk about girth. Babe coming in clutch. All right, ready. Damn, dude. Menacing.
Get out of here.
Most menacing Stinger I've ever seen with the duckbill setup. That is crazy. Look at that. Here's the video you guys all have been asking for. All three wings next to each other, and these are real wings. This isn't like a spoiler or anything. We got the GTR option. It literally is based off of a GTR. Then we got the Agile wing, and then we got my wing, which is the M4 style, but this is a high-rise bracket. And what makes it different from the M4 is the bracket is designed for the Stinger. I literally custom make them. Fits perfectly with the Stinger. But what wing would you guys rock? GT2 style wing, Agile wing, or the GTR style wing? Honestly, if I could go back, I probably would do this one. Like seeing it on Evan's car, it's like so menacing. Looks like it's all apart. About to go do some dope cinematics. We got Evan driving my Stinger. Right there, as you guys could see, my hat literally fell out right and almost hit him. Bro, that was, oh my god, I can't believe that just happened. That's freaking crazy. What are the odds there was a freaking cop? Oh my god, dude, I was shitting bricks. I was recording and I looked back and I'm like, wait, those lights look familiar, and it was a motorcycle cop, and I was like, oh my god, and then my hat flew right in front of him. Like, I heard his siren go off when the hat flew off, and I'm hanging out the window and shit. Hopefully the officer was just going home. Hopefully he didn't get our plates or nothing. I'm not trying to see a couple months from now some letter in the mail for court. Flew right in front of him. It flew off. It almost hit him. I literally almost shit myself. I think poop came out. I'm not gonna lie. Like, oh my god. That was like, Brandon was saying, that's the last thing he needs right now, and of course, it happens. Like, what the fuck? Bro, the fucking cop.
Was it close? Did he flash it?
Yeah, my hat flew off and hit him. Like, it literally went right in front of him, and he threw.
I saw him come up right here, and I thought he was getting in front of me.
Yeah, he did pop the light. He did pop the light. Cops, bro.
Oh god, bro.
And my hat almost hit him. I don't know if you guys saw, because you guys were in the back. My hat flew off while I was recording, hanging out the window. It almost hit him. And he popped the siren, and he's like, woo! And I was like, what the f***, is that a cop?
I thought you was pulling over Evan in your car.
Yeah, I know. I was like, dude. I was like, get this one.
I just popped right in front of him too.
Yeah, I know. That cop, dude. Thankful he didn't pull us over. Hoping for.
All I saw was that one headlight. Oh,
I was doing like at that point. I was like,
oh, you were?
that was right after we did the pull, and I saw the headlight. I was like, nah. But at first, I thought it was like a Harley or something, because I saw the horn.
It's hanging out the window, like fully out the window. And my hat, I like see the light first. I see the motorcycle light. And then I'm like, dude, that light looks familiar. And then my hat just flies right off, and it goes right in front of him, and he pops the siren.
We might have got away with it.
Yeah, he pops the siren, and I fucking hop right back in. I'm like,
I love how it just I know, it sits like perfectly on the duckbill.
race car stuff.
I just want to
Straight filling up.
Not sliding around in my back.
It's E85?
Nah, this is 100.
100 octane? Damn. It's like $10 a gallon, right?
Yeah, but like I said, I only drive like once a week.
Yeah.
For 10 minutes, 20 minutes at a time.
Real race car right here. If you think my Optima is, this thing will baptize it. Agile wing. GT2 wing and the GTR style wing, or I believe it's actually called RS wing. But I mean, look at that, 3 deep, sandwiching me like a little Oreo. All almost the same concept. Hoods are literally almost the same as well. Look at that. Fitment on fleek. This car is so menacing, and finally getting to see it in person, this thing's crazy. Fuck. Those exhaust tips with the new diffuser is crazy. Alright guys, this is Evan's car. If you guys want to go follow him, what's your app, bro?
It's Evan Schulke, EVANSCHUELKE with 3 E's.
3 E's. Go drop a follow. He's killing the 2.0 platform. Like I was telling him earlier, it's just a clean setup. Usually the guys with the 2.0, you go crazy. This is like the clean route. And then we got my boy Brandon with the most menacing Stinger I've yet to see. If they want to follow you, we're at
Stinger GT33.
Go drop a follow, you guys. Most menacing Stinger I'm yet to see. And he's got this new diffuser that's crazy. This is from Evasive?
That's from ARC.
From ARC? This thing's nice. Alright fam, that's gonna be it for today's video. I just realized after editing this that I didn't film an outro, and I think the video came out pretty good. It's one of my best edits that I personally believe I've done. If you guys did enjoy it, please go hit the like button. Also subscribe, you guys, so you guys can watch more content like this. Don't forget to get yourself your KDM license plate frames, because everything else on the website has sold out, and that's all we have available left, and I don't want you guys to miss out on those. So go get yourself one of those license plate frames before they sell out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.